Hi friends, today I'm going to be working on sharpening the chain on my Stihl MS361 chainsaw. It's a 59cc with a 20-inch bar. First I'm just warming up the workshop here a little bit. I'll get you set up over top of the chain and we'll get started. Yeah, the chain we'll be sharpening today is a 33RS. It's a 3/8 chain with 72 teeth. I use a 13/64 inch file. The first thing I like to do is mark the tooth which I'm going to start filing. I just put a little X on it so I know when it comes back around that I've already sharpened it. And I take my file and there's a little laser line. You can see a little better on this maybe. It's 30 degrees and you just try to keep an even 30 degrees. And don't forget down here underneath the tooth there's a little gullet. You got to make sure you get the gullet. Keeps it nice and sharp on the sides and on the top of the tooth. This chain's not too dull. I'll just give it a few strokes here. 1, 2, 3. And you just check. Make sure it's sharp. Make sure you got it good. And then I just roll it back to the next one. Give it a few more. And continue on. Just trying to maintain it. I put it in the vise so it's the bar's level, and I try to keep my file nice and level as well, and use a sharp file. Knock the filings off every so often and just give it a firm pressure. I like to use 2 hands so that I can keep it nice and firm and even, and just keep rolling along. And just keep going until you've made it all the way around. We'll skip ahead a little bit here. And yeah, when you're back to the other one, you're done. So then you can take the saw, flip the bar around, and make another X and file it the other direction. Some people will just get in here and file backwards, but I'm right-handed and I like to keep it nice and level, so I like to flip the bar on the chain. I just turn the vise, flip the chain in the vise, and so the bar is facing the other direction. Every time I sharpen it, I'll flip the bar so that I get even wear on the bar. Another way to keep your bar nice and even, that way the chain's running both directions on your bar. Also, if you find your saw is cutting crooked while you're cutting logs and rounds, there's probably a good chance that your chain isn't filed evenly. It'll pull one side to the other if one side's sharper than the other. That's why I like to do consistent strokes while I'm sharpening to make sure that I'm filing it even on both sides. I don't know, I just find I don't have as much control filing backwards. So yes, I like to flip the bar. Well, thanks for following along today, everyone. I hope you liked the video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, subscribe. There'll be lots more content coming this spring. Thanks for watching and have a great day.